What's up, guys? It's Alien here again from planet Gorklantis.
It's day 12 of trying Earth's energy sources while on the run from the STINKY Smegnobs. I have noticed yet another trend among the Earthies and their energy sources: the mimicking of wildlife in their snack foods.
Wow.
Having reviewed the goldfish in the past, today I have decided to try sparkling mythical creatures animal crackers.
Whoa!
The Earthies believe these creatures are mystical. Little do they know they exist on at least 72 planets.
Wow!
Once again, I'll rate it on a scale of Zorgs. Smell? Sugary. Appearance? The description is accurate. They do look magical, but not very close to the actual creatures. Texture? They are crunchy with a smooth coating. Flavor? Another energy source that lacks animal flavor. It is delightfully sweet, though. Temperature?
67.8 degrees.
Overall, positive 55 Zorgs.
Stay tuned for my next review, and let me know in the comments below what I should try next.